Now, let's have a look at another example where we have a number which is in its hexadecimal form and we have to convert it into a decimal form. Now, the point worth noting here is that in the decimal representation, what we have is we have the numbers ranging from 0 till 9. However, in hexadecimal form, what we have is the numbers. There are 16 numbers or 16 choices that we have, and the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then instead of 10, we have A, 11 we have B, 12 we have C, 13 we have D, 14 we have E, 15 we have F. So this range over here is similar to that of the decimal. So decimal and the hexadecimal are same. However, from here onwards, we have a difference. Here, this stands for 11, this stands for 10, this stands for 11, this stands for 12, this stands for 13, this stands for 14, and this stands for 15. Now, if we are given a number which is in its hexadecimal form and we need to have its decimal expansion. So the number that's given to us is 2A, E, 0, B. 16 here means that it is in its hexadecimal form. Now we need to have its decimal form. Now the methodology is similar, but here instead of B we have to give its decimal form. All the numbers which are ranging from 10 to 15, since they are different, we have to represent them in their decimal form. Now it has a power of 0 associated with it. This has a 1, this has a power of 2, this has a power of 3, this has a power of 4. Now the representation would be like this, which is, since P stands for 11, 0 is as it is, E over here is 14, A over here is 10, and 2 is as it is. Taking this into reference, taking this entire thing into reference, as a reference, this is what we'll obtain. Now let us try to solve it. So this will be, since this is a base 16, this will be 11 times 16 to the power of 0 plus 0 times 16 to the power of 1 plus 14 times 16 with the power of 2 plus 10 times 16 with the power of 3 plus 2 times 16 with the power of 4. Now if you multiply all of these and then add them together, the number that you'll obtain is 175,627. So this is its decimal representation. Now let's do a smaller problem so that it's quite clear what we're doing. Let's have a number in its hexadecimal format as E5. So this will have power of 0 and this will have power of 1 associated with it. So in its decimal format, it will be equal to 5 times 16 with the power of 0 plus E, which is 14 in its decimal format, 15 times 16 with the power of 1. So this will be equal to 224 plus 5 times 16 with the power of 0 is actually 5 times 1, because anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this will be 5, and what we'll obtain is 229. So this is its decimal format or decimal expansion.